another thing that I've done, I haven't actually recorded, is again with one of these flexi pads. I've just went in to all the areas that I had filled with my finger with the filler, and I've just sanded all those back out, dusted them off, hoovered them down to get rid of any standing dust. And the next job for me is going to be priming, and the primer I'll be using is this Albany acrylic primer undercoat. I mean, this is blooming good stuff, this. Covers well, dries relatively quickly, and all around just a good product for what we're about to do. So I'll do a little video on me doing some of this picture rail up here first, because it'll be the picture rail I go around and do first. Then I'll do the door frames, and I'll do the skirting board. I'll start by going underneath, bringing it onto the wall as well. Just make sure you're taking off any excess underneath of there. We don't want to get any build-ups on these walls after we've just spent so long sanding them back. I'm just using a little sash brush for this task, as you can see. It's the rounded one. I mean, these things are really good if you need to cut anything in freehand. Those are very precise. Okay, I've got a handsome amount of paint on there, so I'm just going to take some paint out of the brush and just lay out evenly what we have on here. Like so. And that'll be what I need to do all the way around on all of these picture rails, and I'll do another video when I'm doing the frame, and then another one when I'm doing the skirtings.